Welcome back to the Model 3 Man channel. So each day, Monday to Thursday, new insights, new tips, new hints on how to get the best out of your Model 3 and all of the features that it offers. Today, we're going to talk about cruise control. And in particular, we're going to talk about a few tricks you may or may not know about that will make cruise control more effective. First of all, it's important to understand that nobody, perhaps Elon does, but none of us have full self-driving at this point in time. We have enhanced autopilot. We may have paid for full self-driving, but all we have is enhanced autopilot as of this point here. So one of the things that's pretty cool is the way that auto steer keeps us absolutely within the lanes, and that the cruise control part of it keeps us at the speed of the surrounding traffic, and that we can control that speed. So one of the problems, of course, is that let's say you're coming onto a freeway and you're at, let's say, 50 kilometers an hour. You enter the autopilot mode by double tapping on the stalk. What happens is it picks up that particular speed, and you find that the cruise control is set to 50 kilometers per hour, and very shortly you've accelerated to close to 100. So here's how to make the cruise control speed setting match your current speed, and it's very simple. Let's get out on the road. We'll show you how we do that. So here I am with the cruise control set to 70, but the speed limit is increased. So I'm traveling at 95 now. How do I match the cruise control speed quickly? I just flick the wheel upwards. And there it is. It's now going exactly the speed that I'm currently traveling. So instead of you having to roll the wheel a lot, simply flick it up, it jumps to the current speed, and that's your new cruise control. One other thing about adjusting your speed in the cruise control part of enhanced autopilot is that if you roll the right-hand scroll wheel upwards, obviously you will increase your cruise control setting. You'll increase the speed. But what many people don't know is that if you roll it slowly, if you just go up a little bit at a time, it will go up by 1 or 2 kilometers per hour. It'll just keep inching its way higher. But if you flick it, it flicks up 5 kilometers per, or I think 5 miles per hour with each flick of your thumb. If you do flick up very quickly now, it goes up 5 kilometers per flick. Next one, 95. Next one, 100. Same with down, 100, 95. So don't just roll the wheel with one tiny little increment, flick it, and you'll get it to jump. Now, here's something you might not have known about the cruise control wheel. If you're driving and you've not had your hands on the wheel, and the message comes up, don't forget, put your hands on the wheel, and that little nag happens. Remember, we talked about it yesterday. If that happens, just roll the cruise control wheel one click up, and it will make it 1 kilometer per hour faster. But what will happen is that the message goes away. I have to tell you, though, it's a lot easier to do what I taught you yesterday, just to rest your hand in the wheel. But it's interesting to note that even an adjustment on the scroll wheel will get rid of the hands-on wheel message. When you're in cruise control mode, the car will slow down for traffic ahead of you that is slowing. It will speed up automatically. As I have mentioned before, it's a little annoying. It doesn't pick up speed quickly enough. It sits there for at least a second while the cars ahead are moving before it decides to move. So there's nothing wrong with you just putting your foot on the accelerator to make it start immediately. It does not knock it out of the cruise control mode, and the car will resume the speed that you had cruise control set to. So those are just a few things about cruise control that you will hopefully find helpful. Join me again tomorrow for the next episode. And again, I always ask this, but would you subscribe and click notify? If you're buying a new Tesla, please use the referral code so you can pick up some free supercharging once your car arrives. I'll say goodbye until tomorrow, and I look forward to Model 3 Tip of the Day number tomorrow.